Founded in 1981 by Bill Furman and partner Alan James, the Greenbrier companies quickly became a leading supplier of rail transportation equipment and services. Greenbrier's reputation for manufacturing innovation started with the introduction of the double-stack intermodal well in 1985. Following diversification into railcar parts, wheels, and repair in 1991, and a successful IPO in 1994, Greenbrier began expanding internationally in 1998. Today, Greenbrier is a leading international supplier, operating approximately 40 locations in the United States, Mexico, Poland, Brazil, and Romania. Greenbrier provides transportation solutions to a wide variety of customers, including commodity and goods shippers, Class I railroads, operating lessors, and financial institutions. Through Greenbrier's highly specialized engineering, mechanical, and technological capabilities, the company manufactures and delivers high-quality freight railcars for every shipping need. Greenbrier operates an integrated business model, which differentiates them as a comprehensive solutions provider to its customers. The integrated business model incorporates leasing options and after-sales services, including fleet management and maintenance services, offering greater value for customers. Greenbrier's success begins with people, the global community of leaders and employees who make the company what it is today. Greenbrier shows a commitment to employees through an unwavering attention to the core values of safety, quality, respect for people, and customer satisfaction. For more than 4 decades, Greenbrier has been a leader in global freight transportation equipment and services. By maintaining a strong commitment to its employees and customers, Greenbrier keeps the global economy moving. Greenbrier, moving what matters.